Good morning, how you doing? I am Chris Thompson and it is a beautiful day. Why? Because it's settlement day. Going to hit a final walkthrough and then off to closing. This is my first sub 2 closing with a residential client. Super stoked. We'll see you there. We are here at Linganore Road doing our final walkthrough with
Cat and Cody. Come check out our crib.
Looks a little different empty, doesn't it?
Yes. So different empty. The beautiful fireplace. I'm gonna have to get some curtains.
Yeah, it might be a little bright.
Yeah, a little bit.
You guys figure out which room you want to use as your master?
Yeah, I think this is gonna be the master bedroom. And we'll have our bed probably right in the middle with the 2 nightstands and our dresser.
I forgot the bathroom was renovated already.
Huh?
I forgot the bathroom was renovated already.
Yeah, that's nice. Very nice.
Yeah, the water works. That's a good sign.
That's always good. Spare bedroom.
I forgot there's no overhead light in here, but
Yeah.
being that it's a Rambler, you can easily just have an electrician come in and drop a line down.
Easy enough. Nice closet space. This closet's deeper than I thought. A lot of room in there. It's a whole lot different seeing it with nothing in it.
Changes the game a little bit.
Yeah. Another storage closet. And another storage closet. They use this as their pantry right now, right? Well,
Yeah.
they did. They did.
I think that was their second pantry because the barn door was the main pantry.
Yeah, they had their washer and dryer in here.
That's right.
They changed it. They brought it upstairs.
That was the
so
original pantry, right?
Yeah, they brought it upstairs so they don't have to go up and down the stairs. But I think we are going to put it back downstairs. And we want to put like U-shaped shelving in there so it's kind of like a walk-in pantry.
I love that idea.
Yeah, we don't mind a little stair action for the laundry.
It's a good leg workout.
Exactly. Yeah, it's going to be kind of like an extra room. See, would you be able to put a TV, do you think? Look it up.
If you didn't
There's
use
like
the
an
fireplace,
outlet
probably.
over there. I don't know, but
You'd have to have like an offset or something. Yeah.
And most manels are.
You can do something.
Most people look at them as decorative, but they're actually to push the heat
They go
out.
out. Oh, I see.
Otherwise, you just melt the TV.
Maybe we won't put a TV there.
There's your treadmill, babe.
Oh, yeah. Nice half bathroom, soon to be full bathroom. I can envision a walk-in shower right here.
Yeah.
All the electrical is now safe.
Yeah. So yeah, they had those things live, man.
I like a bunch of live wires hanging.
Yeah, for real. Oh yeah.
So yeah, we'll put the laundry back over here.
Yeah, that's what a vent is, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember what I said about the original?
Yeah.
Can't be even. And then I'll call you and say, Chris, it's even. What do I do now?
Mayday.
Guy things. He's excited to mow the grass.
I'm excited. Yeah. Hop on a zero turn, drink a few beers. Yeah, Annie left the TV in there. That's sweet.
I know. Oh man. Excited?
Yeah, hell yeah.